Alexa, start Rampiot.
Welcome to Rampiot. What are we doing today with your door?
Alexa,
Scheduling
schedule action.
for device door. Here are the possible actions: lock, unlock, and security check. What action do you want to schedule?
Security check.
What day of the week would you like to security check door?
Friday.
Finally, at what time would you like door to security check?
8:44.
Here is your scheduled action. On Friday, security check door at 8:44 a.m. Do you want to create it?
Yes.
Alrighty. Schedule action created successfully.